Hello guys, and let's see how you can delete your old Instagram account even if you don't have password or access to it. But first you need to like the video and subscribe the channel. First thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app and go to search and type the username or the name of the account you want to delete and open that account. And after opening, just click these three dots and click on report. Then you need to say they are pretending to be someone else, and after it they will ask who they are pretending to be. You said they are pretending to be me. So by doing this, the Instagram will help you in deleting that account, and if it does ask you more questions, then you can just reply that it's my old account and I don't have access to it, so they will delete it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.